Hey guys, Dan's Restorations, back again with another video for you guys. Today's video is just a quick little shop update, so stay tuned. If you guys want to support this channel, please check out templargear.shop. Link will be down in the comments section below. You guys can get all your Dan's Restorations hats, hoodies, shirts, other sweatshirts, shop towels, mugs, stickers, all kinds of stuff. So check it out. So as you can see, I did a little bit of reorganizing. So I didn't like how I had workbench, toolbox, workbench. I had the welding machine, angle or bench grinder, and drill press right over here, and then I had my other toolbox right there. So I decided to just reorganize everything. That way all my workbenches are in one area, all my toolboxes in another area, then everything else just off to the side. Other than the layout, everything's pretty much the same. You can see the angle grinder that I cut up. Here's a sneak peek of next week's video. The only other differences is some stuff that I added. Ended up getting this metric stubby wrench set from Icon that I got last week. Oh yeah, I got this little Icon bit set too. Pretty cool. Yeah, other than that, everything else is pretty much the same. Just wanted to give you guys a quick little update on everything. I know I've posted a couple shorts, but yeah, got a regular restoration coming up next week. So thank you very much. Have a great day, everyone.